again. My name is Hui. I am 9 years old. Today we are reading this book. It's called Pedro's Car. I heard a car, so I pretend to cough just like Pedro Poggy. Imagine I am Pedro Poggy. That was a time to go to lunch, time to go to sleep, time to go to bath. Always cough. I just make a funny one. But now time to read. It is a school day. Peppa and her friends are having a music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly? Is Polly the parrot have a dolly? What is a dolly? I think it's just a song. Her heard a bit crazy. Sorry, Madame Gazelle. Oh dear, Pedro has a cough. Don't worry, I ring Dr. Brown Bear. Yes, so Dr. Brown Bear will give Pedro a medicine. When he drinks that medicine, he will strong again, not to be ill. And I was not ill. I do exercise every day. I go walking or running 5 rounds, doing this, and my legs do that too. And I can even jump on like a tall pipe, taller than me. But I jump high as I can, and my hand was very strong. I was grab it hard as I can, and I swing on that pipe. Very fun. But that was my strength every day. Someday I have something to do, so that have no time to go to exercise. So next day I will do exercise longer time, because I'm doing the yesterday and today. But yesterday I didn't forgotten to do exercise. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. Hello, doctor. This is Madame Gazelle. A child is ill. Ill? He's not ill. He just has a cough. Don't panic. I come straight away. What seems to be the problem? I have got a cough. I see. Is it a tickly cough or a chesty cough? I don't know, but it goes like this. That's a real cough, but just a little cough. And when did you get this cough? When Madame Gazelle started singing. And nothing serious, but Pedro coughed maybe catching. What do you mean catching? One person has a cough. Sometimes other people get that cough too. When you want to know real what does cough mean, so I show you. I have Peppa and George here. Like Peppa has a cough, and she will be catching. She coughed. She coughed on George's faces. So the virus will go to George's nose or mouth. Then it make George cough too. No, now our children are all have a cough and they super soft. Sit nicely here. Do I need medicine? Just a spoonful. This is called a spoonful. A spoonful just a one spoon. Like that. Like we just need one spoon of medicine. I'm afraid it doesn't taste very nice. Yes, some medicine taste not very nice, but some medicine taste sweet. It tastes like an old shoe full of jam. Ew. I heard that word. And then when my dinner is that word, an old shoe full of jam, I will see that with my eyes. Look very surprised. And I will say, what in my dinner is this? I think when I eat this, I will die. And when I try to eat it it feels very disgusting. Thank you, Dr. Brown Bear. Goodbye. Bye. As I thought, Pedro cough is catchy. Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have called Pedro cough. Open wide. It tastes of cupcake flavored yogurt. It tastes of flowers. That. I read that word. I think in my head. My brain was doing this. When I saw this food, I never want to eat it. That is my brain want to say. And I want to say this. This hurt very disgusting. I will never eat it. Well done for taking your medicine so well. Did you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? No, Peppa. I'm never ill. I eat an apple a day. Goodbye. Bye. Not just eat an apple a day. You need to exercising like me. Exercise is work too. Like you exercising every day and eat an apple every day, like Dr. Brown Bear and me. You will be strong and never ill. This is home time, and the children's parents are here to pick them up. Mommy, Daddy, I've got a cough. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us. He gave us horrible medicine. Yes, hear the word. And I don't want to drink that medicine. Because the children are talking the words. It's very disgusting. Like carpets, a few carpets, flavored yogurt, oat shoe full of jams. Blech. Madame Gazelle, can you sing your song now? Of course, Peppa. Ooh, Miss Polly had a dolly who was, I think now the parent cough. Oh dear, all the grown-ups have got Pedro cough. Dr. Brown Bear speaking. This is Peppapig. All the grown-ups are ill. Not to worry, Peppa. I'm on my way. Hello, everyone, called Pedro cough. Have we? Very well. Stand in a line and open wide. It tastes like custard and old sock. Custard and old sock? I don't want to eat old sock, just custard. Custard. I just like custard. Inside have an egg. Have break and mix. It was delicious. Not old sock and custard. When I eat custard mixed with old socks, I'll feel this is disgusting. Thank you for looking after us, Dr. Brown Bear. Who looked after you when you were ill? No one looked after me. I'm never ill. Oh dear, Dr. Brown Bear has called Pedro cough. Not to worry. Goodbye. Goodbye. Now Dr. Brown Bear got a cough. Poor Dr. Brown Bear. He is ill and there's no one to look after him. Oh, who can that be? Hello, we've come to look after you. Here's some fruits and some cushions. What a good children. Here's your medicine. It tastes like jammy yogurt flavored custard socks. Ew. This is for disgusting. I don't want to eat it. And here is a song to make you feel better. Now, finish a book. Summary time, everybody. Today, everyone will hearing a song Madame Gazelle sing for them. When she just starts, Pedro Pony have a cough. Then Madame Gazelle ring to Dr. Brown Bear. He came and gave Pedro a cough. He said, Pedro have a cough, and maybe he will have a catching. Then Danny Dog and Susie Sheep have a catching. They catch Pedro Pony coughed. Then Dr. Brown Bear gave them medicine. Then the parents go and pick up the children. Then now the parents or have a cough too. All the parents, not all the parents in the earth. No, that. Just the parents from Rebecca, Danny, Pedro, Susie, Peppa, and some more else. And then Dr. Brown Bear come and let the parents drink the medicine. They need to stand in line. This is a line, like all the parents stand in one line. You see Wiggly this one. Not a line. A line is a line. It was. It's just like a tam. When they drink. Okay. Continuing the summarizing. Then the parents are be good. Then now Dr. Brown Bear called Pedro Pony cough. Then he go home with no one look after him. Then everyone from school go to Dr. Brown Bear house. No, at the hospital have Dr. Brown Bear. Danny gave him some fruits. Pedro gave him some cushions. And Madame Gazelle gave him a song to feel better. The end. Goodbye.